Incredible India Projects Private Limited was incorporated on 28th August 2007. It's primarily real estate company, and this is it is engaged into developing of real estate ventures in and around Hyderabad. On 13 July 2008, we launched our maiden venture with the name and style of Sparrow Shore in 25 acres 13 Gunta, which was a proposed HMDA layout. Now already final approval of HMDA has already been given to us, the first project, and another two projects we have already launched, that is Sparrow Shore Avenue at Kottur and Wildstone at Bhongir. Wildstone and Sparrow Shore Avenue, these are also both HMDA approved projects. On the occasion of our company's third anniversary, we have joined hand with Department of Primary Education, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and we are giving scholarship to 4 students from the district of Nalgonda to the tune of rupees 5,000 as a corporate responsibility of our organization, and towards making Andhra Pradesh 100% literate. And on this occasion, we are also conducting a rally on 28th August 2010 at Bhongir from DSP office to railway station, through which we want to create a good awareness regarding the importance of education with the people, and that also particularly with the lower income group, which is not giving much importance to the education. And once the total country is educated and 100% literacy is there, we can think of a better tomorrow for our children and our next generation. And Incredible India Projects is joining hand with primary education, and the Department of Primary Education has appreciated. As the small beginning, with the knowledge we are getting, we are also planning to adopt few schools in the future to come as per the government norms, and we will be sponsoring those schools directly from the organization, and we will ensure that the students of the government schools are also getting good education with a right kind of support system and right kind of opportunities which they are not getting because of lack of awareness in the smaller places.